Hello everyone. Don't say this in English. Many learners make this mistake every day, and today you will fix it forever. Stay until the end because the last sentence is the most common mistake. I very like English. Say instead, I really like English. Repeat, I really like English. Trick. After I, don't use very, use really. If this helping you, watch until the end for the most important mistake. He don't understand. Don't say he don't understand. Say instead, he doesn't understand. Repeat, he doesn't understand. With he and she and it, always use doesn't. Don't say I'm go to school. Say instead I'm going to school. Repeat, I'm going to school. After is and are, use verb plus ing. Most English learners make this last mistake. Listen carefully. Don't say how you are. Say instead, how are you? Repeat slowly. How are you? How are you? In questions, the verb comes before the subject. If you want to speak English correctly, subscribe and watch the next video. Practice every day and your English will improve. Thanks for watching.